Als willst du das schaffen? Auf geht's!
Oh, I crashed my game.
Oh, it's a big punch, baby, and stop! Double whammy!
I'm calling paramedics and your family, Mr. Miller.
I've fallen, and I can't get up.
We're sending help immediately, Mrs. Fletcher.
Gross! Okay, let's see what he looks like now!
Yeah. Is this me in this mirror thing here?
Yeah?
So this is my arm. That's what it looks like now, huh?
Uh-huh.
And, this thing here on my chest, I'm gonna guess that's my heart,
Yeah! What the fuck did you do to me? Holy fucking shit! You sons of bitches!
It's a big punch, baby, and stop! Double whammy!
Where our motto is, fuck you!
Subscribe to the One Punch Brothers for more awesome Kirby content. Click that link down below, head on down to their channel, and let them know that Animation Rewind sent ya. Don't do it for me, do it for Kirby.